Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to save Word as PDF file. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Microsoft Word is the most used digital word processor to create reports, letters, application, ebooks, and even form. However, there are times when someone requests a file in a different format, say PDF, so you might be wondering how to save a Word document as PDF to send it over. No worries, in this video I will show you how to do it, how to save your Word document as PDF so you don't need to convert it again when you save the file. So first of all, of course, we have to open the Word document. So we will save this document as PDF. You can click on the file, click on Save As. You can choose on the place where you want to save it. Now, before you click on save, you'll find there is an option like save as type. We can just click on that and you'll find there is an option like Word document. So by default, it will be on the Word document format. There is an option like Word template. And because we want to save it as PDF, of course, you can just choose on PDF. Choose on PDF. Now you can click on save. So now this file is saved as a PDF file. So you don't need to convert the Word document into PDF again. It's very simple, right? So that is how to save Word document as PDF. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.